Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here. I am with Calvin Getz. He is the founder of Strategy Financial Group. Now, many people decide to get Social Security based on their age, but Calvin, you say there should be a little bit more thought put into it. So how do we coordinate our Social Security benefits with our other retirement money?
That's right, Jen. So you can claim Social Security hundreds of different ways, depending on which month you choose to claim, and if you're married, how that affects both your benefits. In general, the higher benefit spouse typically should wait longer, and the lower benefit spouse should claim earlier. Now, that's not a hard and fast rule, but the reason I say that is that if one spouse passes away, the higher benefit sticks around and the lower benefit goes away. So it's statistically more important to get that higher benefit higher. But we also want to look at what other assets have you saved for retirement. What's your health like? What's your longevity like? What's your family history like? Those can all play into the ways when we run a Social Security analysis for somebody to help them coordinate that with their overall financial plan.
When it comes to some of these outcomes, it sounds like that word strategy is pretty important. That's what you and your team are all about, and you have some resources to help us.
That's right. There's a window of opportunity right now in this tax environment to make some decisions on how you're going to claim your Social Security. Whether you're nearing retirement, you've just retired, or you've been retired a long time, the tools in this kit will help you make the right Social Security decisions that are appropriate for you.
All you have to do is call, text, or go online, and you can get Calvin's free retirement roadmap kit. Includes the book and those other great reports. Calvin, thanks for joining me today.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching this week's Retirement Report. We'll see you next time.